Hello everybody, tonight I'm going to be making some barbecue chicken flatbreads. Barbecue chicken flatbread, yep. Let's get started. Okay, to my pan I have 3 pieces of chicken that I cut up into little tiny pieces. We're going to season them with salt, pepper, and some garlic powder. And we're just going to cook these until they're all cooked up. Okay, our chicken pieces are done. It literally took me like 3 to 5 minutes to cook those all the way through because they were so tiny. We have our Joseph's Lavish bread, which is bam, really good. So we're going to first start stacking up and making our pizzas. The thing you're going to do is add a little bit of barbecue sauce. You can use your favorite. I'm using what I had in the refrigerator, which is Sweet Baby Ray's Honey Barbecue. We're going to spread this all over. Make it look nice and pretty. You don't want to do it too thick because we are using a thin piece of flatbread. Sorry about that. Alright, so just for the flavor of the barbecue sauce. We're going to add a little bit of our chicken. A little bit of sliced red onion. A little bit of cheese, and I just did cheddar cheese, and then I had some leftover Parmesan cheese, so I just mixed them together and we're using that. Okay, and there it is, you guys. Barbecue chicken bacon pizza. It's good, I promise. We're just gonna slice it up, and this would be an actually great Super Bowl snackaroo, so let me know if you tried it.